heavy selling pressure in the first half of the trading session until around 1:30 p.m. and then the market staged to a sharp rebound into the close. The main trigger for the early sell-off came from a report that the US administration is considering new restriction on exporting critical computer software to China. Nothing has been finalized yet, as we all know, but the market reacted immediately to those headlines, and the semiconductor led the way down, with AMD, Intel, Nvidia all showing weakness. But later, buyers stepped back in, lifting most indices off their lows. By the close, the Dow Jones was about 0.77% and Nasdaq 0.92% and S&P 500 finished roughly half a percent lower. Recovering strongly from the intraday lows, US oil climbed above 3%, gold stayed under pressure, Bitcoin slipped back below 110. So let's go to see the chart very quick. So this is S&P 500 here. The heat map shows the technical analysis for the S&P 500. If you will see, this is our, I'm sorry. Let me see, open the chart one more time. Yeah, so if you will see here, so this is our trend line. This is our last, let me show you I was talking to you last 10 minutes what happened, the V-shaped recovery. So if you will see here about the news came at this time 1:30. Yes, about this time the news came, and then heavy sell off. 1 second, remains short. Yes, so then we close above here. 667 is a good news, and then we'll go on a daily chart. So this is our long-term trend line. Still, the market is intact as long as we will not close below this long-term trend line. Technical analysis for the S&P 500 connected that traded sideways for about 40 minutes, then sold off. Sharp after China export news. Price action bounced from 664 on S&P 500 back to 667.80. And similarly for the QQQ, showed similar pattern, big red candle still controlling the range. A clean breakout above the candle's high would flip. Sentiment bullish, they likely trigger short covering. So also I give you my professional view about the market and my humble opinion, how I thinking in my own personal opinion. So what I'm thinking right now, the market is trading inside the volatile red candles. What is red candle? Let me go daily candle, weekly candle, show you. This is a weekly chart. And if I zoom out, so this is our daily candle sell off. We still are trading in this big red candle, if you will see here in the chart. So defending that zone as well as area until proven otherwise, with the CPI data coming Friday 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So then the things will become more clear. Expect more short-term uncertainty. Until then, a lower CPI print could trigger a rebound in a tech and growth stock, while hotter numbers may bring a renewed selling pressure into this event. Professional typical reduced position size. I will reduce my position size, but I will stay in the market. This is what I will do with my own portfolio. And use in semiconductors, headline risk more potential software export restriction increase volatile. If you are trading those names, it's safer to use defined risk strategies like a call or put spreads rather than naked positions. I'm watching for rotation into a stronger names like Microsoft, Google, while semis consolidates. And my trading plan, the market shows strength in the rebound, but one day recovery doesn't erase headline risk. Traders should remain flexible, take profit quickly, protect capital, and let the CPI report dictate the next major move. The message for tonight, the market is saved for now, but not yet out for danger. Trade with discipline, avoid emotions, entries, and let the chart confirm before you size up. And then I also help you to share with some my ideas about the, like, if I'm buying some stocks for here on a daily chart review, so I go here, see what's more. QBT 15%, Oakland all 13%. So I'm looking the stocks that are near 100 or 200 EMA. For example, DPRO. I'm not buying everything, only few. If I will see here, my turn on my EMAs. So this is my 50 EMA. 1 second. Make sure. Yes. So I'm buying around 50 EMA. So something like that, I have to make some discipline. I'm not buying like a Rocket Lab. That's is 21. I'm not buying here. I will mostly like buy here in this range in case market more dip. TMQ. Similarly in 21, I want to buy around under $5 should be, in my opinion, should be good price. So 475 or 450 area is good in my opinion. And let me see another thing for here. And also this is my Discord channel. I posted whatever buy. Let me show you. Yes, like a Bitform, I buy 375, 395, and Circle 122, 125. So what does it mean, Circle? Let me show you Circle chart very quick. Circle. So this is our long-term trend, and this is our upper trend, and I'm buying on the trend line. So this is about my price to buy for Circle. So I'm not buying who already extended. Let me show you one thing. EBS group. This is another group. Stock in my buy. I like to buy. So this is our deep dip entry, and I will more likely to buy 100 EMA weight, or I will not buy here actually. I will buy more under 90, something about this major spot. And I think that's all. If you have any questions, you can join my Discord channel and I can help you over there. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless you.